In this lecture, we try to find the most active and most successful actors, and we still have the actors data frame that we created in the last lecture. So we have over 550,000 rows, and actually we have over 200,000 unique actors, and we get this number with the nUnique method. And actually we can create an array with all unique actors with the unique method. So here we have a NumPy array with all actors. Next, let's answer the question, which actor is the most active actor? And we can do this again with value counts. And we get the 20 most active actors here. And in the first position, we have Beth Flowers, and she acted in 240 movies, then Christopher Lee, John Wayne, and so on. And we can also visualize this with a bar plot. Next, we can also group and aggregate the data frame actors. And there's a pretty new way how to create several aggregations that was recently added. It's so-called labeled aggregation, and again we can use the agg method, and then we can define the column labels and how to aggregate the data. So for instance, in our new aggregated data frame, we have the column total revenue, and it's actually the sum over the revenue column. So it's the total revenue per actor. Then we have the mean revenue, then the mean vote average or the mean rating, and also the mean popularity and the total number of movies. So let's create the aggregated data frame agg, and let's sort agg by the total number of movies, and we get the 10 most active actors. So this is nothing new: Beth Flowers, Christopher Lee. And here we can see the columns of our new data frame agg: total revenue, mean rating, mean popularity, and total movies. And now in the next step, we can also get the actors with the highest total revenue. And it's here Stan Lee, Samuel L. Jackson, and so on. So here we have the total revenue, the total aggregated revenue. And Stan Lee actually acted in movies with a total revenue of $19.4 billion. And also here we can create a bar plot. So this was the total revenue, and now let's come to the mean revenue. And here obviously we get 10 or more than 10 actors with the same mean revenue. And to understand the problem here, let's get all movies with Ashley Jeffrey, and it's Avatar. So this is the only movie where Ashley Jeffrey participated or acted. And the problem here is that we cannot differentiate between supporting actors that have maybe only 1 minute of screen time and the main actors. And there are indeed the supporting actors who had very small roles in many successful movies. However, this doesn't indicate that the actor itself is good or successful. So unfortunately, we do not have more detailed information on the importance of an actor. And therefore, the better way is to first of all filter the agg data frame and select only those actors who acted in at least 10 movies. And let's again sort those actors by the mean revenue and get the 10 most successful actors: Gloria Stewart, Keith Richards, and so on. And the same we can also do for the mean rating. And finally also for the mean popularity. And again, the problem is here that we do not really know the role of the actor and the influence on a specific movie. So for this, we would require even more information and data. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you in the next lecture. Bye.